What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida, and we just picked up this new Pathfinder. I had on a video previous to this, and I will be launching a video on a full review of it, but I want to show you guys how awesome using the 303 on your window seals is. So we're going to go ahead right into this. It's going to be a very fast video. So on this car, the windows roll down very fast, and this car is not nearly as old as the Lexus. So it's about 7 years newer. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here. I have not used any 303 on. You can see it rolls down very fast. But when it goes up, it seems to be getting caught. So I'm going to go ahead, spray this down with the 303 right now. Going to grab my bottle and we're going to go ahead and see if it makes a difference. And we're going to get the outside seal as well. Okay, and don't worry about getting it on the paint. It's not going to mess that up. What it's doing is it's going to soften up all of your rubber. It's good to actually even put it all around here. Very, very good on any rubber pieces, anything that you want to keep the sun from getting rotted and so forth. A lot of times on these cars, when they get older, all this stuff starts to deteriorate and fall apart, and then you lose your seal. So let's go ahead and try that again. Obviously we know the down's going to be fast, which actually looked a little bit faster. And check that out. Now we're down and up. We'll do it a couple of times to get the 303 to move in, but what a difference. I had no idea what the outcome was going to be, but just based on doing it on the Lexus, it was immediate. I knew it couldn't hurt. So once again, this is hopefully going to help a lot of you guys out there, especially up down in the south, even up north in the summertime. You do deal with a lot of heat that can deteriorate these, but check that out. So it's moving, I would say, at least twice as fast when going up. So you guys saw it live. The 303 does work. Armor All is very similar to the 303, but I've been using the 303 now for about a year and a half. On my vehicles, and I've absolutely fallen in love with it on everything from tires to your interior, leather, rubber pieces. So hopefully this helps you guys out, lets you guys know a little bit more about the product. Have a great day, have a great weekend, guys. I'll be back with a lot more videos. Just wanted to fill you in.